everyone, this is Scott from buyandselldvc.com. Today we are at Disney's Animal Kingdom Jumbo House. This is a 316 square foot Savanna view. Well, I should say Savanna view, but it does have a Savanna view. It's a value view studio. Now these are considered value views because they're 3 feet shorter than the regular rooms. So really not much of a difference at all. And these are one of the fastest rooms on all of property to sell out. There's only a small amount of them, and starting at only 8 points per night, these go really, really fast. So if you really want any shot at grabbing one of these rooms, you really have to own at Animal Kingdom. Just like all the studios on property, you've got granite countertops, you've got your kitchenette, microwave, small fridge, drip coffee pot, toaster, and the theming of this resort and room is fantastic. Always love the dual vanity here. Well, vanity with dual sinks, I should say. Again, granite countertops. John Hammond would say, spare no expense. But all the small things in this room, all the wood and the wood carvings, the small little details on this room are absolutely fantastic. These rooms come with a 55-inch LED TV, queen size bed, standard size pull-out sofa, now 20% of the value view rooms have a parking lot view. I've stayed in the value views probably 10 times. Not once have I ever had a parking lot view. You can always ask at check-in to see if they can do something to make sure you don't get that view, but 20% of them do have parking lot views. 60% of them do have pool garden views, and 20% of them, like this one, have a Savanna view. One of the things I always love about these rooms are these lights. I always point them out. I love them. I thought they were so cool when I first stayed here. Dual lights right above a nice little workstation, which is really nice to have. A lot of studios don't have the workstation. Animal Kingdom, they do. What's great about this room is the lights. I'll look pan over here. Different lights, different artwork, and the tapestries hanging over the bed. I mean, there's lots of small details in these rooms. Now let's go check out that view in our value. Ooh, I see a zebra. There's a zebra. Hey there, zebra. Oh. And some wildebeest and more zebras coming. And again, this is a value view starting at 8 points per night. Talk about making your points spread out for you. Fantastic option. And for a studio, always a really, really nice balcony. I think probably one of the largest balconies I've ever seen on the studios. And I love the details here. I want those for my house. But the studios have about a 15-foot balcony. Zebra's just coming over to say hello. Man, you get a value view, and this is your value view. Man, 8 points a night to stay here. More zebras, man. There's more coming, more wildebeest. What's up, fellas? See this guy pop around the corner. Yeah, there's definitely worse views than this. I could stay here forever. This is so nice. I love Animal Kingdom. Let's go back inside though. But again, absolutely fantastic room, especially bang for the buck. I mean, again, there are bigger rooms out there, you know. Obviously, this is not the largest room on Disney property. It's one of the smaller studios. But to have the location and to have that view as low as 8 points per night, or even not even in the lowest season, 9, 10 points per night, I mean, that's still, think about how many nights you could stretch out your points if you're able to get them. Again, these rooms do sell out fast. So owning at Animal Kingdom is definitely the way to go if you think you want to stay in these rooms, or just make Animal Kingdom your home resort and that's where your family wants to stay. I mean, one of the great things about DVC is the flexibility. So you can stay, at any of the resorts you like. However, for rooms that are really hard to get, like this one, having Animal Kingdom as your home resort really needs to be a priority. So we hope you enjoyed this tour. Again, if you're thinking of becoming a DVC member, or if you're looking to add on, please check us out. We're buyandsell.dvc.com. We're the licensed DVC real estate brokerage. We have the lowest commission out of any company if you're looking to sell your contracts. And again, we try to offer the best customer service to everyone. So please check us out, buyandsell.dvc.com. If you hit those like and subscribe buttons, that always helps us. And that also helps ensure that whenever we release new room videos or going to the park or anything we have, it's going to be all Disney related. Definitely, please subscribe to those YouTube channels. And we're on Instagram, we're on TikTok at DVC Scott. We're everywhere. Facebook, as you probably already know. But again, check us out. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Bye.